Willa from Sonnewalds Natural Foods. We're blessed that you would take a few moments to learn more about us and what we've been doing for the last 50 years. Come on in, let's take a look around. At Sonnewalds Natural Foods, we believe that good health comes from the farm, not the pharmacy. So when you walk into the store, you're going to see the produce section. All the vegetables, the fruits that have come from hopefully local farms as much as possible, and organic farms, and what I describe as sustainable farms. So we have the produce section, and then from there you'll come right into what we call the customer service and information area. You will see lots and lots and lots of supplements, although we're really not big advocates of supplements. We're really big advocates of eating real food. However, our soils have been so depleted, and for many of us, we have years, if not decades, of poor eating habits that have left us deficient. And hence, a few specific supplements can be very, very helpful. Minerals in particular have been so depleted in our soils due to erosion and intensive farming and so on. And also, we tend to be very deficient in oils. Cod liver oil is really a good one, and it's so rich in vitamin D. And interestingly enough, with all of our drug taking and especially antibiotics and birth control pills, we tend to damage our good and friendly flora. And so the probiotics section is a very important one to learn more about. And then we have the bulk foods. One of the very unique features of Sonnewalds is the serve yourself bulk foods room that's temperature controlled. We keep it cool in there, about 55 degrees. This helps to keep the nutrition in and helps to keep the bugs out. It's a very sustainable way to shop. There's a whole lot less packaging and therefore a whole lot less waste. And also the prices tend to be so much better, especially the herbs and spices where you can buy a pinch or you can buy a pound. One of the other unique features of the store is our mill room. In 1955, my dad bought a flour mill so that my mom could grind the wheat that he was raising here on the farm, and that's really how this whole thing started. And here we are still grinding whole grains for people who enjoy baking, enjoy saving money, enjoying having more nutrient-dense foods on the table for their family. We can grind everything from amaranth, I bet you never heard of that one, the whole way up to what, maybe triticale. Have you heard of that one? These are some of the unique grains that we sell at the store. Raw milk and raw dairy products are very, very important here at Sonnewalds. We believe that God intended for us to use some of these animal products, at least those of us who do well on them. At Sonnewalds, we love to help people, and you'll find the customer service area is usually quite a busy place. People are looking at books, they're picking up the free literature, they're talking to each other, they're talking to the team members, and there's a tremendous amount of information that gets shared at Sonnewalds. It's a real place of networking. It's a place to get ideas, to meet other people, to learn about perhaps practitioners that are in the area, to learn about upcoming events, which we always have posted in our foyer. Our whole premise is that we need to be living more gently and more respectfully on the earth. So at Sonnewalds, we try to reduce our consumption as much as possible. We try to reuse things that are already here, and then we try to recycle things as a last resort. But we're more than just a store. We have a booth over at Morningstar Marketplace, and we also have a radio show, Sundays with Sonnewalds. We also sponsor the weather line. That's 767-1000. Thanks so much for joining me today on this little video tour. If you would like to contact or visit us, the information will be on your screen. And just remember, good health comes from the farm and not the pharmacy.